Cool. Hey guys, Shakarov here. So today we are Monday, and I went to the card shop to get one box of O-Pee-Chee hockey. Bunch of packs to open, so I got my girlfriend right there as usual. You won't see her, but she's there, I swear. Let's open this. 24 packs. Hopefully we'll get an autograph. There are some patches to get as well. Somewhere buyback autographs. There's a bunch of stuff. So let's dig into it. There's really a lot of packs. There are some rookies, some parallels, blah blah blah. Let's do this. So we're starting with a retro of Victor Stallberg, and I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a sticker, Ryan Miller. Des cartes qui sont différentes des autres. Got a retro of Mikhail Bodker, and a sticker of Rick Nash, and the marquee rookie of Jason Zucker.
Who?
And she says, who? Got Tyler Myers retro. The Legends of Guy Lafleur. And that's it. And here we have, ooh, shiny, retro of Ryan Smith. And the rookie rainbow of Jaden Schwartz. Got a Legends retro of Phil Esposito. On t'a vu la face. And the pop-up of Jeff Skinner. Retro of Mikhail Grabowski. Legends of Milt Schmidt. That's it. Got a retro of Derek Dorsett. Got a rainbow black out of 100, John Michael Lyles. Retro of Guy Lafleur. Not retro. Yeah, retro Legends. And the black parallel out of 100, Jerome McGinley. Retro of John Moore. Rookie of Michael Stone. Retro of Chad LaRose. Sticker of Jordan Burley. And the marquee rookie, that's interesting, Mario Lemieux. Retro of Andre Macharas. Pop-ups of Rick Nash. Sticker of Jamie Howard. Kevin Bieksa retro. Rainbow of Ryan Kessler. Sticker of Nicholas Backstrom. Mason Remond. And the Legends Bogey Vachon. Bogey Vachon Rainbow. Habib Bolin retro. Marquee rookie of UC Rennes. Vaclav Prospal,
Really?
Red Hall Legends, Michael Stone, Jared Spurgeon Rainbow. Excuse me.
Ben, c'est drôle comme carte.
C'est cool.
Ben, vraiment comme bleu poudre.
Oh. The Parental Rainbow and Rainbow Retro. Rookie of Carter Camper. Retro of David Jones. Black Rainbow out of 100. Ilya Brizglov. And sticker of Patrick Marleau. Matt Martin. Retro. Rookie of Sean Unwick. That's a long break. It's crazy. Here we have Curtis Sanford Retro. I'll stop showing it because it's not really worth it. Travis Moen Rainbow. And Timo Silani sticker. And we got Joey McDonald Retro. Ryan Smith sticker. Marcel Dion Legends. Eric Branson Retro. And that is it. Tim Gleason Retro. Cut Clemenson Rainbow. Duncan Keith sticker. Janik Hansen Retro. Wayne Gretzky Rookie. Woo! Still no autographs or no patch. Need to work on that. Here I get Marin Gaborik Retro and Andy Bathgate Legend. Darren Helm Retro. Milan Lucic Rainbow. That's it. Kerry Lettman Retro. Marcus Naslund Legend. And that's it. And we got a patch. Patchy. Got a Milchmit Marquee Rookie. No, Marquee Legend. Retro. Well, that's a very nice one. I don't know if it's rare or not, but it's nice. Hartford Whalers 10th anniversary, 1981-1982. Sweet. And Anthony Stewart Legend, Retro. Alex Del Vecchio Legend. Mike Santorelli Retro. Ryan Getzlaff sticker. Brandon Manning Rookie. And we finish with David Desharnais Retro, Mikko Koivu sticker, Marquee Legend, Eric Lindros, Jason Zucker Retro, Carl Gunnarsson Rainbow, and that's it. We're done. That was a long break. Thanks for watching. We're done. We got a patch. O-Pee-Chee style. Whee!